If there is a 2-degree parabola on beam D, there will be acting on the beam A point load, B, UDL, C, UVL decouple moment. The SFD for a 4 meters long beam is a parabola with plus 20 kNm value at both its end and 0 at is the center. If there are no couple moments acting on the beam, maximum value of the bending moments will be underscore kNm. A, 20. B, 13.33. C, 23.33. D, 40. A cantilever beam ab of length L carries a point load P at its free end B. The shear force just to the left of A is underscore A, P, B, P/2, C, PL/2, D, 0. A cantilever beam ab of length L carries a point load P at its free end B. The shear force just to the left of B is A, P, B, P/2, C, PL/2, D, 0. A cantilever beam ab of length L carries uniformly distributed load of intensity W per meter run throughout its length. The shear force at the center of the beam is A, 0, B, WL, C, WL/2, D, WL/4. A cantilever beam ab of length L carries a clockwise couple moments M at its free end B. The shear force at a distance L/4 from A is underscore AMB, ML, C, ML/2, D, 0. A simply supported beam ab of length L carries a point load P at the center C. The shear force just right of C is underscore A, P, B, P/2, C, P/2, D, 0. A simply supported beam ab of length L carries uniformly distributed load of intensity W per unit run throughout its length. The maximum bending moment is underscore A, WL28, B, WL22, C, W.L22, D, W.L28. Simply supported beam ab of length L carries UVL of intensity varying from O of 8 to W per unit run at B. The shear force is 0 at a distance of underscore from point A, L/2, B, L/3, C, L/square root of 3, D, L/square root of 3. A 5 meters long beam ABC is simply supported at its ends. The portion ab of length 4 meters carries a UDL of 10 knots/m and there is no load for the remaining 1 meter portion BC. The value of shear force just to the right of A is not A, 16, B, 24, C, minus 16, D, 10.